This video will show you how to set up Billy, a piece of furniture from IKEA. If you've watched my how to set up videos in the past, you'll know that I like to set things up so they're organized to begin with. It does a couple things. One, I can easily reach for the part that I need, and two, we can see that we actually have all the parts that come with the system, as can be shown in the diagram here. Step one, insert the dowels into these pieces. As in the diagram, you can see they've got 4 holes here. These have none, so these are going to be shelves, and they also have these spots here to secure them with the shelves. You're going to the outside holes. We're doing it on the cardboard or some carpet to make it so you don't damage your shelves while you're assembling. Step 1 complete. Step 2. Putting these screws into these small holes you see here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, the inner holes. All that's going to go. You're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. I'd recommend doing it by hand, not using the power tool. You're dealing with particle board, you use a power tool, you strip this, and it becomes useless. Step 3. All right, for these key things, the flat surface here, this is the top. You got the notch on the bottom down over there, that's the bottom, so this is the top of the bookshelf. Holes are going down, and also you can see this. That's interesting. We got it backwards, don't we? So, this white surface here should be facing here. This is the outside. These holes should be facing this line. Dowels go in the holes. Gentle, no reason to force anything. Here you'll see the $2 here. I got the label, the Billy label here. I'm gonna put the label on the inside, make this on the outside. Shortest distance here goes to the bottom. Holes on the bottom. Like that. White's out. This is the front. Step 4. We're taking these pieces and you're going to see this open space here is going to match where the screw is coming out. Push it in clockwise till it stops. Four times. Step 5. I guess I got a little overzealous. They wanted me to add this one as step 5 with these two. Same as before. Open side on the bottom. Turn clockwise till it stops. Step 6 is putting this on top. It is recommended you have 2 people to do this. So, because you don't want to damage anything or break anything. One person is a little more difficult. Let's see what we can do. As the bottom has more space, I'm going to make sure I have weight there. Okay. Nice and easy. Okay, we're lined up here. Let's work our way down. Line sag up. I wouldn't use a hammer. If you got a rubber mallet you could use, but I think, as you can see here, the flat of the hand is working. Stop the press. We're going to go back what we did not see or realize. So for aesthetic purposes, the top shelf is to be reversed, because when you're looking up at the top shelf, you'll be able to see it since it's a tall shelf. We don't want you seeing these 5 screw thingies, so it needs to be reversed so that the bottom we have now is on the top. So let's do that. So one problem is we've got a dowel stuck in there. I want to carefully remove this. Like that. Then we want to go this way. This is the front. Now we want the shiny side on the bottom. Then we put these in here. Clockwise. Put this back up on top. Pro temporary. Problem solved. Step 7. Put in the remaining locky thingies. Also two on top, which are already in place because of my mistake. You still need to screw them so they're tight again. Step 8 is to slide the back in. I need space to do that. So I'm going to turn this first. Shiny side down. Holes are aligned, holes are aligned, holes are aligned. Step 9. Inserting these plastic plugs and the pins that go with them. make sure all 4 pieces of these stay inside the hole and don't go out. Step 11 is putting in the shelf holders. Counterintuitive if you've put shelves in before, but according to this, we're doing it like this. Step 12. So you'll notice here, they've actually drilled out on the bottom of the shelves for that to go in. That's why I say it's a little counterintuitive. Normally the shelves have like a flat part and the shelf just sits on it. Here they've actually made it so you can't pull the shelves out accidentally. So I think what we're gonna have to do, now the shelves don't pull out. And they fit nicely.